Hey, what's up you guys? So today I'm going to be doing a very interesting video. I'm sure you've already seen a bunch of other videos like this before, but I wanted to do my take on it. So today we are going to be doing the full face using only highlighter / illuminating products. So the illuminating products doesn't include the mascara I'm going to be using, of course, but everything else is all about illuminating and highlighting. So without any further ado, let's get started. So since it's getting colder, my skin is feeling a lot more dry, so I thought that this was the perfect time to bust out the Physicians Formula Argan Oil Primer. There's a lot of glitter in this, and I'm not sure if you're able to tell because it's absorbed a lot by now, but my skin was very glittery for a while. And I also primed with the Smashbox plus Vlada Photofinish Petal Metal Primer. I primed my eyes with this as well, so that's why they're a little shiny, but that's the whole point of this video today. So today I want to start off with my base. I do have actually an illuminating CC cream from IT Cosmetics, but I figured that using this would be more fun. So this is the Zoella Body Fondant. It's a shimmer balm meant for your entire body, and I'm going to be using that all over my face today. It comes with a little poof like this, and that's what I'm going to be blending with. As you can see, there's no coverage because this is still just a body balm. It's not really meant to darken your skin or anything like that, but it's fine. We're moving on now. So next is my eyes. I have a lot of different colored highlighters, so I'm not really sure where to start, but we're just going to keep going. I want to set my base with the Becca Opal highlighter, and I'm going to be using brush 5. To transition with, I want to use Beach Nectar into my crease. Before I keep going, I just wanted to say that the Zoella Body Fondant smells like vanilla, and I don't usually break out, but I have a feeling that I'm going to be breaking out by the end of this video. For my crease, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Killawatt Foil Highlighter in the shade Santa Sangria. Using brush 9, I want to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I want to outline my outer V with the shade Butterscotch. Using brush 8, I want to use the same palette and I want to press Sassy Grape into my lash line. Going back with the Fenty Beauty Killawatt Foil Highlighter, I'm going to be going back onto my lid with Mimosa Sunrise. And finally, using brush 10, I'm going to be highlighting my inner corners and my brow bone with this Lottie London multi highlighter in the shade Mermaid Glow. I'm just going to be using this top shade right here. So my eyes are done. I actually think it looks pretty nice, but I did notice that these shades don't blend together well. They kind of go over on top of each other more, so you see mostly the purple and the orange from the Fenty Beauty highlighter. So that's interesting. I'm going to be moving on to mascara. I'm going to be using my Laura Geller Fortifying Eyelash Primer and then the Nars Climax Mascara. Okay, so my eyes are done. To add some more highlight onto my face, as if I needed any more, I'm going to be setting my face with brush 1, and I'm going to be setting with the shade Beach Nectar, and I'm going to be putting that all over my face. Getting to the Glazed Donut status already. So let's move on to blush. I'm going to be using the Real Techniques brush 400, and I want to use the Becca Cosmetics Rose Gold shade as my blush. Moving on to bronzer. It is illuminating, so I think that this counts. And I'm going to be using the Model's Own Sculpting Glow Shimmering Bronzing Powder in the shade Deep Golden Brown. And to blend that in, I'm going to be using the Real Techniques brush 200. And now it's time for highlighter! So I figured what better highlighter to use than the Trophy Wife highlighter from Fenty, and I'm just gonna kind of apply that everywhere. And to use this, I'm going to be using the Real Techniques brush 402. This highlighter really is not for those who want something more subtle, because she's here and she wants you to know that she's. Speaking of not subtle bronzers, I also wanted to use the Wet n Wild bronzer from their Fire Dragon vs. Ice Dragon collection, and I wanted to use their shade Halo Walkers because I'm not sure where else I'm going to be wearing this shade, so. Alright, we're almost done. Now we're just moving on to the lips. I am going to be using the Flesh Beauty Stick Highlighter in Pinky. This is what it looks like, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lips. I think it's a good nude. It's very subtle. It's a very beautiful glow on your lips. Obviously, I'm joking. And as if all of that wasn't enough, I also wanted to use the Morphe lip gloss in Trippy because it's glittery, it's rose gold, and I think it's going to complement this whole look very nicely. I thought that this would kind of like mellow the lips a little bit, but it kind of just emphasized them even more. And I don't know why I thought that it would help this out, but it's fine. I actually think it looks very beautiful. To finish up this look, I'm going to be setting with my Urban Decay Chill Setting Spray. And there you have it, guys! Thank you so much for watching. I look like a glazed donut and then some because of how blinding all of this is, and it's just all over my face. I love highlighter, so this was actually really fun for me, and I wanted to do a challenge like this for a while, and I kind of have another idea for my next challenge video. I have a lot of different highlighters, and I didn't even bring a lot of them here with me, so the ones that I do have, there's so much more. But I did have a lot of fun doing this, and I think it was just a fun, silly way to use all your highlighters in a way you probably never would have. There are a lot of people who do this challenge and they just comes out looking so good, and I've always wondered, like, how can it look that good? I'm kind of proud of what I've done today too. And I'm really excited for the next few videos that are going to be coming out. I have some really good ideas lined up. So if you have any other ideas of what other makeup challenges I should do, let me know in the comments below, and I'll probably actually end up doing some of them. If you have actually done this, I want to see your videos, so show me. Make sure to follow me on Twitter at goldgoddessmua and my Instagram goldgoddess_mua. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!